Hello to everyone! Welcome to my vlog. At ito ako ngayon guys, i-vlog ko lang po yung mga Bibles na bago ko natanggap. And I would like to say to our donors, Sir Abin and Sir GB, thank you for your generosity in sharing these holy Bibles to us. God bless you abundantly as you continue to support the evangelism ministry. To God be the glory.
Okay? Sige, ato ipataas ang ato mga Bible. Pataas nga ito. Napa ba daw? Napa kastura? Next batch na lang. Sister Renita, ito pa isa. Papa? Okay. Sige, katong matagaan na itong niagi. Pwede mo din mo appeal. Oo, sige. Ready? Ato itaas? Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Sir JB and Sir Abed, for the free Bible.